Today I'm going to show you a simple but surprisingly powerful way to clean the bottom of a dirty pan using just 2 ingredients you probably already have at home. No harsh chemicals, no expensive products, just a natural method that actually works. For this, you'll only need 2 things, some charcoal and a lime. Start by taking a plastic bag and placing about 4 or 5 pieces of charcoal inside. Once they're in, seal or wrap the bag tightly so nothing spills out. Now, grab a hammer or any heavy object you have at home and begin gently hitting the charcoal through the bag. Keep going until the pieces are crushed down as much as possible. You want to break them into very small bits so they can easily turn into a fine powder. Once you've crushed the charcoal, take a container and pour everything inside. Then strain it, keeping only the finest powder. This step makes a big difference because the finer the charcoal, the better it will work when cleaning. If you notice larger chunks, you can crush them again and reuse them. Next, take your lime and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice directly into the container with the charcoal powder. Try to get as much juice out as possible. The acidity of the lime is what helps dissolve grease and loosen up all that burnt residue stuck to your pan. Now mix everything together really well until it forms a paste. It should be smooth and easy to spread. If it feels too thick, just add a little bit of water and keep mixing until you get the right consistency. Not too runny, but not too dry either. Once your paste is ready, take the pan you want to clean and apply the mixture directly onto the bottom surface. Then, grab a scrubbing pad or sponge and start gently scrubbing in circular motions. Do this for about a minute. As you scrub, you'll begin to notice how the dark stains slowly start to fade and lift away. That's the charcoal working as a mild abrasive, while the lime breaks down the grease. After that, rinse the pan thoroughly with water. Right away, you'll see a big difference in how clean it looks. To finish, wash it as you normally would with dish soap, and your pan will look even better. Almost like new. And just like that, you've cleaned your pan using a simple, natural method that's both effective and affordable. Give it a try, and you'll never look at charcoal the same way again.